corrosion-resistant materials to ensure solid contact and low voltage drop. Features watertight cap, easy installation, and twist locks securely with plug. Designed to withstand the rigors of wet environments and constant vibration. Large contact surfaces for good electrical connection. Twist lock system plug locks securely into socket. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. Put this on my ancient four-wheeler to have an easy way to use stuff like a portable tire inflator. Used to work on firetrucks and we used Blue Sea products there. They are very well designed and built, but won't break the bank either. With this being completely exposed to the elements front and back, I did decide to put some grease on the contacts inside just to make absolutely sure that they won't corrode, as the back of the socket is not totally waterproof. Overall this works great, is reasonably priced, and is just about the best 12V outlet you can buy.